how to check watch history on Twitter. So if you want to check your watch history on Twitter, then first you need to open up your Twitter application, or you can also go with your browser. So I'll be here with my browser. You can also open it with your application if you have your application. So gopherx.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now go for the profile, which is on the upper left. Under your profile, you need to go for profile again. Under your profile, go for settings and privacy, and here you need to tap on your account. So under your account here, you will have download and archive of your data. So tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you need to enter the password of your Twitter or your X. Once you enter your password, then you will download the archive and each and every history of your data. So once you've downloaded, then you can watch your history on Twitter from that download. So it may take some time to receive the notification of your download. So once you've received the notification, then you'll be able to download that. Once you've downloaded, you will have the view of your watch history. So instead of that, you don't have any other option to check the watch history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.